Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. I have officially found my new favorite brand of rugs. This is the Loloi Jules Lagoon Brick pattern, and it has just been holding up really well with our dogs. They're, of course, bringing in dirt on their paws, but the pattern of this rug really hides things well. And it's also really easy to clean. If something spills, I can just wipe it right up with a dry towel. It's been really durable, and I love the vintage distress look. Such beautiful colors. When I purchased our sectional, the previous rug was too small, so the size of this 9x14 is the perfect size. It's made from a very soft polyester, and although I don't have a rug pad underneath, it's still very comfortable to walk on. I appreciate the detailed stitching around the edges and that I don't have any issues with the corners curling up. I just love how it ties everything together in our family room and looks so beautiful. I currently have 4 Loloi rugs in my home and I just absolutely love them, but that's just my point of view.